What's good YouTube? It's your boy, your host, Rex God Dragon Squad. Bitch, back here with another reaction. Today we're here with Danielle Bregoli. Yeah, I said it. The GOAT. The greatest female rapper of this generation, man. Cardi who? Cardi who? Hollers who? Man, we here with the GOAT. She reacted to the reaction vids of her. I probably wasn't gonna watch this. I probably was gonna just watch this on my own time. But I seen one of the people, one of the reactors I'm subscribed to, Leo Hansen, I think it's Hansen, or however you pronounce her name. She said that people were saying that she got roasted, and then she made a video saying how she got roasted. So we finna watch this shit, see what she said about her. She called her a bitch or some shit like that. But damn, every time I be in Leo's comment section, always be like, bro, can I eat that ass? Like, can I do this? I'm like, bro, what the fuck is these comment sections on YouTube is fucking cancerous. But then I went on Instagram and I seen what they was talking about. I was like, subscribe. What do you mean subscribe? Let's get into this bitch though. How you guys doing today, man? Just got off of work. Finna work. Geared to a spectacles, let's run this hoe. That shit was a banger, bro. Fuck, I need to talk about.
So today I'm gonna be
hey, y'all make me body slam your ass.
And some dumb people watching my video, these hoes. So I've been working on like music and shit. Like I've been in the studio since like April, and it was like I was kind of scared. What if people just like think it's a joke? Like what if it doesn't blow up? What if this doesn't happen? I was scared, like for real. Like this is real life. But it turns out, bitch, I'm a rapper. Okay.
Hell no.
But
I'm glad that she fight reacts.
Like it, I love you. And
oh, thank you. Maybe she reacted to my shit.
She pulled up in the Bentley with her bodyguard. BHAD BHABIE.
Why did he say Barbie? There's no one like.
There's
no R in that.
Who the hell's that?
So
supposed to be NBA young.
I know it wasn't Barbie.
Oh shit!
Danielle. But she's talking about Malou. Malou.
Malou.
Listen, I'm not broke. Okay?
He's funny. I like him.
Hey, why are you coming for me because I'm broke?
First of all, I don't really know this kid, but it seems like my
Come on,
lyrics
kid.
are really
Girl, I know you ain't.
life.
Yes, I used to live in a trailer. And I will compete with your motherfucking donut belly button.
Where do you see a motherfucking donut? You know what?
Did you not see in the video though?
Nick Vanilla Bean Frappuccino, I liked you for a good.
You said Nick Vanilla Bean.
Seconds, okay? We had a nice relationship going, alright? Then you had to come for me. Talking about some donut, bitch.
Damn.
Listen, that one with the, I don't know what color his eyes are, but he is fine.
Oh, she's pretty. Like she is, you know, she's pretty popping too. Like this girl is popping. P-O-P-P-I-N-G. She got some bars.
She got some bars.
She really got some bars. Maybe we should
I wonder
hit
if
the
she
studio.
can free. Yeah.
Yo, bitch, I got bars, bitch.
You can't freestyle though. Hell no.
The dick riders, they gon' come. Hold up. This asshole is not about to come for me. Rice dumb, rice bum, life gum, rice asshole. I'm being for
This stick is
Oh
retarded.
my god, his face looks like a toenail. His face looks like a fucking thumb.
Is BHAD BHABIE These Heaux.
Her cocks.
Is he stupid? We're gonna take another spelling class, okay? Bad. Bad. When you really think about it, bad. Bad. You kind of hear the H in there, right?
No, you don't.
Bad baby. Same way you would spell it. Say it the same
I
way.
mean,
you
I
spell
knew it was
like
bad, baby.
B-A-D.
Quit playing with me. I know it wasn't stupid.
Why? Bad. It's just I spell it different. The same way. Are you same way this idiot's pronouncing? Okay, bitch.
Okay, she just gets dropped off in the Uber.
The Uber.
Uber driver now.
Guys, I don't even know how to pronounce this word. I don't even know what it means.
Pose.
Off the bat, her voice, man, like I don't like it. You know, it's too edited. It's auto-tuned.
Bro, when you
Yeah,
rap,
this
you
just
sound
sounds
like
so
you
much
fuck.
better. I don't like her voice, man. It's like
That's what I'm saying. Nigga sound like every time you talk, you sound like you just waking up.
Fucking rapper doesn't use the slightest bit of auto-tune. Please, let me fucking know. Please. You can't even talk right. You fucking need speech class over here. That's what you fucking sound like, okay? Thank you.
Please don't make no
So
noises
she
in my
said,
ear though.
These hoes be fake flossing, fake
Oh, he did my Genius interview for me. Thanks.
Well, this is a diss, and we all know who made the diss.
Oh, she got a
track
Genius
kind of
interview?
thing, you know, this guy right here.
Wow, this kid is dumb. This is like sad. Rich, I don't even really know you. Like, listen. I am tired of this little boy. I am tired of him.
Little boy.
Jacob fucking Sagittarius. Whatever the fuck his name is. I'm tired of both of them. You and your little boyfriend, okay? You both. I don't know what y'all be doing together, but the shit needs to stop, okay? It's disgusting. Especially this fucking asshole.
I know you're not talking with you and Malu.
And kind of roasting us.
I know she be like hitting bitches and shit. It's cause an asshole. Like this kid's an asshole.
She's really not that good at music. She'd really stop doing music and just stick to what she's good at. I mean, she should just stick to... Wait, what is she even good at? What is she even...
What are you good at? What? Talking shit about people? Welcome to the club.
Bitch.
Okay, you're 20 years old and you're gonna come from me. This kid, I really can't stand him. Like, if I ever seen him one day, I'd probably bust his fucking head in. He looks like the Asian Napoleon Dynamite.
Hell no.
I swear to God, you are such an asshole! You are such a You and Jacob be this shit! You are so gross! Oh my God!
Okay.
Huh?
Oh, he cute too. Did he just ruin it? Oh yeah.
She said she was in a Maybach, but she was in a Bentley just now.
You are so dumb! You are so dumb!
Oh! I was trying to see what they was gonna do, what they doing here.
See, he was cute till he opened his mouth.
She get a lip. Oh! She probably taking shots at Kylie Jenner.
Maybe she is.
Maybe.
I never thought I would see the day that Danielle Bregoli became a rap artist, a hip-hop artist.
Whoa, bitch, welcome to
Damn.
the real world.
She has put out a song called These Heaux. These Heaux. These Heaux.
Listen, bitch, you look like you've been through at least 5 or 6 years of college. You look like you spent so many years of college that the Zans you were taking were really starting to get to your head. Listen, let me tell you, that shit is so popular, I don't even know how to spell it. All I gotta do is write these and H and the shit pops up, so please. Fucking, ugh. It's just like she f***s her brother.
Hell
By
no.
her mom and like went on Dr. Phil because she was a fucking troubled child.
I was beat up by my mom? Wow, you're disgusting. Dumb fucking You really, with the bitch, obviously you don't know the story. If you don't know the story, don't put your input on it, okay? First of all, I was never...
See, you were live snapping him.
Second of all, go f*** your brother, okay? Come here, Mom. Come look at this.
This is the girl that was like beat up by her mom.
And you're a little fucking...
Hell no.
I'm not gonna diss her.
Girl, no, you're not talking. You can't even handle your child.
I'm not gonna diss her, bitch. What the fuck did you just do?
Very interesting. She sounds like
Don't try to flip your bald head. You can't.
her voice is so fucking annoying. Like, aside from the lyrics and what
I'm not gonna diss her, but I'm just gonna continue to diss her.
would I listen to this? Do I like the
No, cause bitch, all you listen to is fucking bossa novas. That even.
What is she? What the fuck is she
For any
talking about?
reason I had to like come face to face and she wanted to fight me, I would never do it. No, she's only like
Pussy house. You a pussy ass house. You a pussy ass house. Pussy.
And you're
pussy ass
14?
house.
I'm
Bitch.
nothing to catch a charge.
Talking like, oh, I'm never gonna fight her. I wouldn't fight her if I seen her, but I'm gonna continue talking shit about her, even though I know I don't have the hands to back it up. Like, the fuck, bitch, you don't need no fucking type of sense. My pocket's so swollen.
Off the rip, I just want to say I like how she spell hoes.
He don't like generic brand hoes.
Hey, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This shit.
Damn, Quasi got tatted up? Damn, I know he got tatted up.
She's better than some of these rappers out here that just be mumble rapping, bro.
Let's be honest, what would you rather listen to? Me actually speaking words or like for real, come on. Come on, at least I'm actually saying shit.
Bitch, you're not a fucking rapper.
Okay, oh shit!
I'm not even gonna disrespect her.
Oh please, you look like you got your SoundCloud link in your bio. All you need is some face tats. Get the fuck out of here.
Kill from roaster
Looks
shit.
like a fucking great value version of Chris King. Get the fuck out of here.
About to get roasted.
Hell on, let me.
Toasted. I'm talking French toast, burnt toast,
Texas toast.
This nigga is lame. Oh my god.
Like this girl can barely wrap a burrito. Oh, bars. But
I can't wrap a burrito. Actually, I can't. You know how they be doing that weird fold shit? I can't do that. I just be rolling that shit up and then the sides be poking out and shit. But it's whatever. Bitch, it goes in the same place, right? Shit don't gotta be cute.
You can't be spending all your days on rooftops, girl, you know, rapping and trying to ball out and trying to be a shot caller.
You can't be spending all your days roasting. Like, bitch, you can't.
What are you doing though?
It's New York City or some weird shit, wherever, the Golden State fucking bridge.
Potty mouth? How do you expect your mom to want to take you to the petting zoo after this?
This nigga is so corny. Oh my god.
What is going on? The protesters. Mothers opposed to BHAD BHABIE. Aww.
Oh, you could read.
They protesting Danielle. I'm sorry, Danielle. Sorry, I dare you to roast me back, but be careful when you do. You on probation, okay?
On probation, but I still keep to come out crack a bitch down.
Hell no.
I don't know. Like, I'm just saying, like, how'd you get through TSA with them nails? Like, that you know, you...
I apply private. Ain't no need to get through TSA.
I'm sorry, but her eyebrows kind of look like two dinosaur claws. Two dinosaur claws about to, like, give each other a high five.
I know he's not talking about eyebrows.
I didn't know you was in Jurassic Park.
Hell no. This nigga is so corny, bro. Get this nigga out of here.
As opposed to BHAD BHABIE.
What nigga is this?
Where is the R? Where? You not fucking read? This shit's aggravating as fuck.
Hey, she got her killing that shit. Hey, she killing that shit. You gotta go. Run that back and some.
I ain't gonna lie, you can't hate on it though. It's not bad. Cause I seen.
I'm glad to see there's some people.
Good shit, Zias. Good shit.
Thank you for watching the video.
Damn, shame rat to my shit.
Subscribe, all that bullshit.
She said prescribe. What the fuck?
If you haven't seen my music video or got my song, make sure to watch it. The link will be in the description to buy it on iTunes and listen to it on Spotify and SoundCloud.
Damn. Hey, do a part 2. Throw me up in that motherfucker. Hell no, she had KELL in that bitch. I don't want to see KELL reaction, bro. Hell no. Damn. I don't even remember KELL's reaction off the top of my head. I seen it. I'm not sure how bad he roasted her, but bro, she roasted your ass. So I'm gonna need you. I don't know. I don't think he said nothing after he was like, let me not diss her because she like 14 or some shit, but. Damn, that is hilarious, bruh. Damn. So I don't know. Sometimes she be annoying as shit with that laugh. Sometimes she be funny as shit when she roasts. So I mean, it's like, huh? I'm subscribed. What you talking about? But it's lit. It's lit. That shit was lit, bro. I need to hear that shit with the Quavo. She was with Lil Pump briefly. I want to hear a track with her and Lil Pump. She was with Trippie Redd recently. I want to hear a track with her and Trippie, bro. I want to hear all the flames, bro. She was with hella rappers. I need to hear this. I need to hear the bars. When that tape dropping? When is that tape dropping? Bro, I knew it was bad. I knew it was BHAD BHABIE. Or did I say Barbie at first? No, I think I said BHAD BHABIE, and then I said BHAD BHADie. Or some shit like that, but then there wasn't no D in it, so like I don't know. But hey, damn, hopefully she does a part 2 react to me, you know, give me some clout. Ooh, give me clout. Wait, ooh, hell no. But y'all guys can post your comments down below. Tell me what you guys thought, man. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Dislike if you didn't. Subscribe. I upload every single day except for on Fridays, and I finna be out with this bitch Dragon Squad. Bitch! Signing off. Huh? That way, a Dexter, a what, a where? First name, fucked her on the first day, breaking down the cocaine, vampire, stay away. She said I'm insane, yeah, I know you like that, give it to me right now.